Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 15 August 2024, and we've got a lot to cover in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a surprising turn of events, Bybit, the third largest offshore cryptocurrency exchange, has opened its doors to users in China. This is a notable shift from its previous stance, which strictly prohibited Chinese users. The move comes as other exchanges have already tapped into this potentially massive user base. However, Bybit's internal team is reportedly uneasy, as the exchange's certification page still lists mainland China as a restricted jurisdiction. Meanwhile, Binance is reportedly laying off about 20% of its workforce, which amounts to roughly 1,600 employees. The layoffs are attributed to a challenging market environment and previous overexpansion. Despite this, Binance is still on the lookout for new talent to fill various roles. In Hong Kong, new regulatory policies are being introduced, which some see as a positive step for the region's crypto market. In other exchange-related news, there's been a lot of chatter about contract approvals and risks, especially concerning major exchanges like Binance and KuCoin. This comes in the wake of recent events impacting the multi-chain platform. The SUI official team has requested that major exchanges hold off on launching perpetual contracts for its token, a request that has been temporarily respected by the market's key players. Goldman Sachs has revealed a substantial exposure of $420 million to Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, in its latest 13F filing for Q2 2024. The investment bank holds significant positions across 7 different Bitcoin ETFs in the US market. Notably, Goldman is the third largest holder of BlackRock's Bybit, with nearly 6.99 million shares valued at approximately $238 million. This move underscores a growing trend of institutional interest in Bitcoin, with over 500 institutional investors reportedly allocating significant funds to Bitcoin ETFs. MetaMask has launched the MetaMask Snaps Open Beta, a major step towards a permissionless ecosystem for Web3 users. This initiative allows developers to create and integrate their own features into MetaMask without needing platform approval, aiming to provide a customizable and user-centric experience. MetaMask is also addressing security concerns, particularly phishing scams, by implementing robust security measures. OlympusDAO has initiated a buyback-and-burn program for its token, OHM, using the DSR yield from its $181 million treasury. This strategy allows OlympusDAO to leverage its DAI backing by borrowing against itself, creating a leveraged buyback. The approach could potentially increase the price of OHM by 27%, while reducing the circulating supply by nearly 20,000 tokens each week. Privy has announced a new integration with Telegram, simplifying the process of creating on-chain accounts and wallets. This feature allows users to authenticate and create wallets in a single step via a Telegram mini-app. The integration aims to leverage Telegram's vast user base to enhance distribution for on-chain applications, making blockchain technology more accessible to a broader audience. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Stay informed and stay ahead.